In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit publication on Substack. If you've ever spotted a typo after publishing, or you want to refresh an older article with new details, editing on Substack is quick and straightforward. Start by heading to your Substack dashboard. From the main navigation, open the Post section. This is your central hub for everything you've written: drafts, scheduled pieces, and items that are already live. We're focusing on content that's already been published, so you can zero in on exactly what needs updating. Once you're in Posts, switch to the Published view. This filters the list, so you're only looking at posts currently visible to your readers. It's a simple way to avoid sifting through drafts or scheduled content and helps you find the piece you want to revise faster. If you have a long list, you can also use search or sort options to narrow things down by title or date. Next, locate the post you want to change and open the More Options menu, which appears as 3 dots beside the post. This menu is where Substack groups common actions so the interface stays clean. It's the spot you'll use whenever you need to make a quick adjustment to a live post. From that menu, choose Edit. Substack will open the post in the editor with your original formatting, images, and settings intact. You'll see your title and body content ready to adjust, just like when you first wrote it. Now, make your updates. Fix typos, tighten your introduction, swap in a clearer image, or update links and references to reflect new information. If you changed your headline, skim the first paragraph to ensure it still matches the promise of your title. Keep an eye on formatting. Headings, lists, and quotes should remain consistent so the piece stays easy to read. If you rely on embeds or images, click on them to confirm they still render correctly after your edits. Use the built-in preview to see your changes exactly as readers will, and check on both desktop and mobile if you can. When everything looks good, save and update your post. The web version will reflect your edits right away. Keep in mind that emails already sent to subscribers won't retroactively change, so if a correction is significant, consider adding a short update note at the top of the post for clarity. That's it. By navigating to Posts, opening Published, using the 3-dot menu, selecting Edit, and refining your content, you can keep your Substack publication accurate, polished, and helpful for your readers.